Hi, I'm Julie Garland McClellan. I'm a professional practicing company director and also the CEO of a corporate governance consulting firm. I'd like to talk to you today about a concept called inclusive governance. This concept is not new. It arose from the public sector. However, it is now practiced by a wide variety of corporates and not-for-profits. The idea of inclusive governance is bringing stakeholders in to help them add value to your organisation. There are many levels of inclusion. You can talk to people about what should we do, what is the best thing for this organisation to focus on, or you can include them in saying, this is what we're doing, how should we do it, what would be most effective. You can also include them in giving you feedback, bringing them in to say, this is what we're doing, this is how we did it. Did it work? Help us to monitor our own performance by measuring the things that are important to our stakeholders. Inclusive governance has been demonstrated to raise the performance of organisations. I hope that you will be able to practice some of these ideas and establish some of these processes and procedures in your company. Thank you.